Okay, we're just going to do the dunk test here. As you can see, you can have a look at these things here. And we've got one there, which is the way that we make kitchens here, which is what makes them waterproof. So you can see that that hinge is bolted into that track there. So I'm just going to throw that in the hot water there. That goes there, and this is the way that things are usually made. They're usually made just with whiteboard, and this is MDF. And you can see that the hinges are usually just screwed straight in there, and I'm going to just pop that in there as well. And you can see the time there, it's about 3:30 there, so I'm just going to leave that in there for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and see what it's like. So this is typically what would happen with a kitchen flood or with a dishwasher that breaks its hose or something like that. So we'll have a look at how things look in 5 minutes time. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes since I've done that. So there's the two samples here. Okay, so this is the, you can see there that that's the ACS one with the hinges that have been put in there, and they're not going to pull out at all. As you can see that, there's just no way that it's going to pull out. That's also Styroboard, which is a submersible board product, and ordinarily that would be in there like that with a screw, and that's just not going to pull off at all. So the whole thing is solid as. Okay, that's that one. This one here, this is the other cabinet, which is pretty much how everyone else makes them. And there's two things that you can do here. You can push that like that and see what happens, and that just comes away like that. So now I've got those in two pieces. And then the next thing I want to have a look at is just how much water penetration's gone in there. So you can see it gets in quite a long way with floods, and in terms of how hard these hinges are going to be to pull out, I'm not too sure what it's going to be like, but ordinarily they just pop out. So so I'm trying to loosen up there, and you can see there's a bit of play there, and probably if I applied a bit more pressure I could snap them off. As you can see, that's just pulled out there. So that's the sort of pressure that happens when a door gets hung on. But that's just popped straight out there, those hinges. So that's the difference.